Okay, so as promised, we are gonna try to have y'all come with us on the journey to getting our vending machine business going. So we're actually about to be on our way to the storage where we have our vending machines at, so that we could try to wrap our vending machines ourselves. I bought this like DIY little wrap thing. I'll show you more in detail when we get there. Because we're trying to have our machines be a little bit more customized, of course. Gotta have something different from everybody else, period. I did buy this like scraper so I can make sure there's no bubbles. I got it from Michael's for like $4. And then, yeah, I got these wraps. I got 2 sets of them off Amazon. Hopefully they work. This is really just like an experiment. I'm really hoping that they work so I can continue to order them off Amazon. And then that way it's a cheaper way for people to pretty much wrap their own vending machines without paying hundreds and hundreds of dollars for someone else to like develop a design, create it, put it on, all that kind of stuff. Like, yeah, we're trying to be different, but like not too much on the pockets though. Anyway.
Yeah.
So, you're excited?
Yeah, I am. I'm trying to just get this shit done. You know me, I'm a attacker. You know, I don't want to keep talking about it. I just want to get shit done. So then we can record, really. But
Then we can record.
Nah, I'm just saying, like, I'm an attacker. Like, I like to get this shit done.
I'm already recording.
No, I'm saying, like, get shit. Time to go.
All right. So we're here. Yeah. I've been seeing Lexi and Dixie in a while. That's what we named them, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. All right, so we had to find our box cutter also because I forgot that when we left the crib the first time. Let me open this up. Let's see.
I can cut you. Want me to hold it?
Yeah.
I need a haircut.
This one. Yeah.
Nah, that's some white girl shit.
Yeah, it is. It's like how they have the most fun. If you're already worried about two-stepping, like, you seem too cool, like, I'm excited.
Yeah, French fry shoes on.
These tweeters, no matter.
French fry shoes.
Anyways. So today, we are wrapping Lexi, our snack machine.
The lightest one. This bitch, y'all remember this shit is 33,000 pounds, 492 cents.
Oh my god.
This style. Nah, we are young.
Anyway.
So let's set the road.
I'm nervous. So here they are. It said something about using the wipe in there, and
We need some water.
I don't think I need water.
Oh, I thought we need.
You
I
get
be
the
seeing
squeegee
niggas.
thing? Yeah.
Yeah, I seen niggas on Instagram be having water on it.
But these are, this thing is DIY, so you don't need water, perhaps. If we do need water, then we'll get some from inside. But
Yeah.
for now,
Are you hydrated?
no. I'm actually
Dehydrated?
very dehydrated. We just got off the road, and I'm dehydrated. I don't know where anybody's water bottle is. Water cup,
So you need
anything.
your ass whooped.
You do too. You dehydrated too. That's why you keep licking your lips. You
Never-
get white stuff all over your lips, huh? Oh, okay.
Well, they
You
can't
wanna
see
talk
me.
about me?
They can't see me.
They saw you earlier.
No, they didn't.
Caught on 4K.
They're like, damn, he look
Wait, is our
good.
camera 4K?
He look good to me though. I don't care about none of that.
You look good to me, though. Look good to me, too. That don't mean your lips not dry.
They're like, damn, what's that though? You got fat lips though, so that makes up for it.
Thanks. Okay, so guys, we got this, like, greenery jungle type pattern because the place where we're actually putting Lexi is an apothecary. So we're very excited. It comes in 2 strips.
I don't know about that.
Yeah, it comes in 2 strips. So hopefully she fits. Like 1 strip here, 1 strip here.
Yeah.
Hopefully. I don't know. I'm just gonna take this whole thing out. Are we long enough?
What you saying? Let's see.
Okay, so that's like 1. So hopefully the second one will cover this part too.
Yeah, I think it will though.
Can you set the camera down so we can get to work for real? So in the pack, it came with these adhesion primers, and it comes with like directions on the back. So it comes with 2 for each like set. So 1 for one like slab and 1 for the other slab. And then like I said earlier, I got this from Michael's to get them bubbles out. So let's just use this adhesion primer. It's the tiniest little wipe on the planet, but it should work. Who knows? Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is peel a little bit of this. Yeah. It's exciting! Wait, look, this is just a little bit. We ain't done too much. Okay.
Yeah, that's good.
Ready?
3 hours later.
Ah, man, we ran out of storage. Now recording with our phone now. She almost done. Ooh, that's better sunshine right there.
Ooh, it looks so good on camera. Hopefully it sticks. So we're experimenting and we're leaving it overnight to see if it'll lift or anything like that. But to be honest, like, I don't know, I'm pretty confident it'll work. Like, I think like the top part's already lifting. I don't know if you can see all the way up there, but they're already kind of lifting. You see that? So I don't know, but maybe the like the rest of it will be good.
Also, we hungry, we haven't ate, so we're trying to just finish this up so we can get something to grub on. And
I'm hungry.
yeah, we haven't ate. We was on the road. We got back not too long ago, and we went straight to work. I ain't lie to you. My goal is to hurry up and get this in by the end of this week, at least. This week coming up. And today, what's today, 27th? I mean, the 1st.
Today's the 1st.
Today, the 1st, and we're trying to get it in at least by, like, Sunday. That's my goal. Like, in place, we're setting it up, recording videos and shit like that. And, yeah, that's it, really, I think. Yeah, that's it. And,
But we'll see y'all later with an update of, if this really works. Yeah, my hair look a mess, but we finished. Look at her. Off Amazon, period Amazon. So, yeah, like we said earlier, we're going to do an experiment to see if that stays because it is a sticker. I'll try to insert like a little screenshot of what I ordered or a link to what I ordered, even though they're not paying me or whatever. Wallpaper type of thing. So it's meant for appliances and not for your actual wall. I do want to see in the future like if wallpaper would work because that would save everybody a ton of money. Do you hear me? If you could just buy wallpaper of your choosing off Amazon to figure it out, then boom, just do it. But I developed a method. Hopefully this looks like really seamless. I'm hoping you can't really tell like the divide between the two. But on this side, I didn't do as well getting the bubbles out, but I found a method. So instead of like getting the bubbles out going down as you go, you pull them out to the side, Little tip. But anyway, we're gonna get something to eat because we haven't ate all day. What do you want to eat? Where are we about to eat at?
Ruth Chris, you know.
It still said Ruth
McDonald's.
Chris. Got the Ruth Chris or McDonald's? Which one?
Man, Ruth Chris.
We don't got
like,
Ruth
know
Chris
me.
money. We do not have Ruth Chris money. We got McDonald's money, Wendy's money, Cookout money. Cookout money.
I do cook out. We rich.
We do have really good spicy chicken sandwich. Dang, I forgot about that. Technically, I cooked, but I don't want that.
Can I go get it?
Okay, well, we'll figure something out. But thanks again for coming along with us. Bye.